How to pay a person using Huntington Bill Pay. If you want to pay a person using your Huntington Bank's Bill Pay feature, you can actually either use Zelle or add them as a payee. To do so, you first of all launch the Huntington mobile application on your phone. Once you've done that, you have to simply make sure to log in using your username and password and tap the login button. Navigate to Bill Pay and select Send Money with Zelle. Accept the terms and conditions, enter your email or mobile number and verify with a one-time passcode. Add the recipient's email or phone number and enter the amount and add an optional note. And finally, review and send the payment. And this way you can pay a person using Huntington Bill Pay. Hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.